USACO question 2015 favorite bronze number 3 question. Let's get into it. Okay, let me explain with input value. The 4 mean is row and this 4 is column. So this is 4 by 4 matrix, and then each item in matrix R represent red, B is represent B blue. So our mission is to find the path to jump. To jump, color diagonal must be changed. So in this case, this is R, B. So R, this is first one, R, B, R, and the second is must be R, B, R, because this one must be diagonal. Then finally, this one also, R, B, B, R. So return is 3. Does this make sense? Okay, first we're gonna input this one and then put into array. So we're gonna use input system, and the system standard input often hops in out, standard out often out W, and then we're gonna disable, and then first time is no need, and then second we're gonna put into matrix. So for line in range, no, not range, system standard in, and then matrix append. Before that, we need to append list line, and then finally print. We are gonna make new function name is Hopscotch matrix, and then Hopscotch matrix print matrix, and then but we found out there are carriage return, so let's get rid of carriage return. A is list line if A minus final is carriage return. A is we're gonna pop 1, so just pop, and then into A. Okay, it looks good. So if one input matrix is this one. This one. First approach is we're gonna use DFS memoization to make it better. Time complexity n square and space is n square, because we needed to traverse all of paths of matrix. So we're gonna start from here, and then this is endpoint. If we the one time to change the color R to blue, we able to go to here. So in this case, B R also possible. So and then next is RB RR possible, RR BRR possible. So we're gonna do like that. So Let's make first M length of matrix, N must be length of matrix 0, and then definition DFS row and column. Okay, base case must be equal row is n minus 1 and column is n minus 1. We just return 1 because we need to get the count. n minus 1 and minus 1 must be here. This is destination, and then we calculate sum. How many paths have to go to jump? And next now is range allow plus 1 and m, because we need to check down for n column in range column plus 1 m. So if matrix allow and column not same as matrix and allow and column, correct sum must be count and allow and column. Then finally we're gonna return system, and then let's use a memorization. To do that, we're gonna import func tools and import LRU cache. LRU cache is same as memorization, and just put LRU here cache. Then it's ready to use. Non-interesting. Now we're gonna return from start is DFS 0,0. That is start point. Start point must be here, right? Start count. Where is count? 71. DFS 3. And then, okay, let's check. Cow in system message. Open cow in. This is not cow in. Okay. Ready. Python. Go. Okay, nowadays server is very slow, so we just wait 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 6, 7, 6, 5, 2. Oh, gradation process. Cool. Cool. Thank you.